Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is super exciting because I am going to be doing my first FabFitFun unboxing. So for those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a full-sized seasonal subscription box. So you get 4 boxes each year, one for each season. And the thing I love most is that it doesn't have only beauty products. It has beauty, fashion, fitness, even some like home decor products. So this is my first box and I'm super excited to open it. You do have the option to customize your box or leave it as a complete surprise, and I chose to customize mine just because I did want to pick out a few select products. So the box I'm going to be opening for you today is the Editor's Edition. So I know this one just sold out, but it's basically just a box they have for people who are signing up for their first time in between seasons. So I chose to purchase this one along with my summer box. So each box is $49.99, but the products in the box are always worth at least $200, which is crazy. And although this editor box is sold out, you can still purchase your summer box. And if you use the code BEACHBABE, you get $10 off your first box. So if you are interested in getting your own box, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. And make sure to use the code BEACHBABE to get $10 off your first box. I also think this makes a really great gift idea. So if you pay for the full year, I believe it's a discounted amount, maybe like $170 instead of $200, and then you would just put your friend's address instead of your own, and they would get a new box each season as a gift. Also, I wanted to remind you guys, I do still have my giveaway open. It's going to be open till the end of the month. So if you haven't, be sure to enter. It's really easy. All you have to do is subscribe. I'm going to leave a link to the giveaway video in the description box down below. And now for the fun part, I'm opening the box. Kind of feels like Christmas. Okay, so when you open your box, there's going to be a couple little like pamphlets and coupons, and then this card is going to have what you got in your box along with the retail price. So I am super excited for this first product. This is one that I chose, and it is a black striped beach tote. So it zips up, it's super roomy, and I love the detailing of the handle. So this bag alone costs $54, so that is already more than what I paid for. The second product is a Tarte eyeshadow palette. It's called Leave Your Mark. The packaging is super cute, and the shades are really, really pretty. They're definitely neutrals, so I feel like anybody could work with these shades. And this palette alone would have been $30. This next product is a full-sized deep conditioner for your hair. I don't know how to pronounce the brand, but I'm actually really in need for one of these. And during the summer, if you're gonna be swimming a lot, your hair is definitely prone to drying. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. The hair mask also retails for $30. The fourth product is a mug, and if you know me, you know I am obsessed with buying new mugs for some reason. And this one just so happens to be my favorite color, and then it has these super cute eyelash details, and it says I'd rather be in bed. So this is super cute, and I will definitely be using it. And it looks like retail price, this mug is normally $16. This next product is something that I chose in my box. I customized for it to be in there, and it is a reusable ice pack / heat pack. So you can microwave it or freeze it. I feel like this is super convenient for travel or even just to use in your house, and it's something I definitely need since I will be moving out soon. And the hot cold pack retails for $15. The next product is an intensive exfoliating treatment by Somerville. And guys, this brand I know is super, super expensive. I used to use her products all the time. And let's see. So this Somerville product is normally $75. So clearly you are getting your money's worth when you are purchasing this box. It looks like I have 2 more products left. Next up we have this eye mask with the star pattern. I got mine in gray, which I'm super happy about. It feels like really nice quality. It's really cushiony and comfortable. And for anyone wondering, it is made out of vegan leather. And it looks like it retails as $40. So I'm definitely someone who needs it to be completely dark in the room to sleep, so hopefully I'll be getting some good use out of this. My last product is by the brand Daily Concept, and it is a hair towel wrap. And you guys know, if you watch my channel, that I'm obsessed with hair wraps. I always use the Turby Twist from Walmart. Every time I wash my hair, I make sure to wrap it up so that it absorbs a lot of the water and saves me a lot of drying time. It's probably about time I replace my old ones, so this is gonna be very handy. It looks like this normally retails at $18. Okay guys, so that was everything in the box. I got a total of 8 products, and I just did the math because I was curious. If I did it correctly, my box was worth $278, and I got that all, I used the coupon, so I got it all for $40, which is insane. I am super happy with my box, and I can't wait till my summer one comes out. If you guys want to purchase your own box, like I said, I left a link in the description box below, and don't forget to use the code BEACHBABE to get $10 off your first box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. If so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. I have Instagram at TheVivaDiva and then Twitter at TheVivaDivaXO. Be sure to let me know your thoughts on the box in the comments down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!